Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share where we can get a battery for a fraction of the price. We can buy 3 batteries instead of 1, and they're amazing quality. We're going to share that with you as we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 Series guys. Generation E90, 91, 92, 93. This is the 3 Series from year 2005 to year 2013. If you have a problem where you guys put a new battery, you replace the battery and now the car does not start, it could be simple fix, don't freak out. But if you didn't follow one certain procedure, you may have burned modules, computers, we'll talk about that. But most of the times it will be simple fix, we'll explain about that. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover where you can buy cheap parts and tools as well, that way you do not waste money and time. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We work on Mercedes, BMW, German, American, Asian vehicles, all kind of vehicles. Why we make these absolutely free videos? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, let's explain what can easily cause that. If your BMW does not start after battery replacement, we want to show you that now. Guys, by the way, if you want to buy cheap, really good quality battery for 1/3 of the price of original BMW battery, it's still AGM battery, we'll put link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Now, we just replaced some BMW batteries and we put one of the old ones in that wagon. But now, quick guys, okay, quick intro here. Okay, the BMW charging system is really complicated. You may end up having multiple cables. You don't just have positive and negative terminal. Check this thing out. Okay, you have multiple cables, wires here, positive terminals, you have one there. Okay, and this is the original battery terminal there. Now, one thing about those guys, the BMWs, many of the models are made to where if you're in a crash, okay, if the airbags are deployed or anything that detects a rollover, anything like that, it's the battery charging system is part of the airbag system. That's an airbag connector with a little explosive here. So if it detects that the car was in a crash, often, okay, what can happen, it can actually activate that explosive and it will push that cable out of the positive terminal. That way the car, okay, will not get power. So the vehicle will not catch on fire if there is spilled gasoline or anything like that. So that's what it's made for. But when people replace batteries, it's super tight fit, and when that happens, often they will damage here the connector, and that can cause, okay, that cable to come loose too. Sometimes people will yank for that cable, and as a result it can come loose and you may end up guys not being able to start because of that. We've seen that happen quite often. Always use original size batteries, original battery, and always follow the right procedure guys. Very important which battery terminal you disconnect and connect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can guys burn modules, computers, that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. It happened to us in the past, so that's why we're sharing with you. There is video on our YouTube channel, on our channels, which battery terminal to disconnect first on BMW. Check it out. That will be the main reason guys. So if you have a BMW 3 Series guys, E90, 91, 92, 93, and it doesn't start, that will be one of the main reasons why it doesn't start after battery replacement. Always check that. Of course it could be other things, but that's our piece of advice guys. Now if you want to see how to program battery, we have videos on our YouTube channels how to do that. Check out our channels. We guys have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy any parts and tools, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.